Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you a short grammar lesson. I'll specifically teach you the postposition from in Urdu. So let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. Welcome back. If you're new here, I make free Urdu lessons for you. If you're learning Urdu or if you know someone who is learning Urdu, share the link. And if you want to have one-on-one private lesson with me, I will put my webpage right here. We're going to learn a postposition from, which is say. Say. So what is a preposition? A preposition is like in, from, out, since, for. All these are prepositions. In Urdu, they're called postpositions. They're called postpositions because they're coming after the noun. Usually they come before the noun, that's why they are called preposition. But in Urdu or Korean as well, they come after the noun. Let's take a locative noun, which is New York, right? New York is a locative noun. From New York will become New York from in Urdu. And you already know what from is, right? Just pause the video and write it in your notebook. So from is say. New York say. That means from New York. New York say. Do you remember the first grammar video that I've made? In that video, I taught the basic sentence structure in Urdu, which is मैं हूँ. मैं is the subject, which means I, and who is the linking verb, which means is. I am, and everything will go in between the subject and the linking verb. Now let's take from New York and put it in between the subject and the verb. What will it be? It will be मैं New York से हूँ. मैं New York से हूँ. मैं New York से हूँ. मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ. मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ. मेरी बीवी हिंदुस्तान से है. मेरी बीवी हिंदुस्तान से है. मेरे मियाँ हिंदुस्तान से हैं. मेरे मियाँ हिंदुस्तान से हैं. मेरा ख़ानदान पाकिस्तान से है. मेरा ख़ानदान पाकिस्तान से है. तुम्हारा ख़ानदान कहाँ से है? तुम्हारा ख़ानदान कहाँ से है? Your family is from where? तुम्हारा ख़ानदान कहाँ से है? मैं जर्मनी से हूँ. मैं जर्मनी से हूँ. तुम कहाँ से हो? तुम कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? तुम कहाँ से हो? मेरा दोस्त जनूबी एशिया से है. मेरा दोस्त जनूबी एशिया से है. Mera dost means my male friend. Mera means your friend is a male because mera is ending with a sound. Janubi Asia means South Asia. Se hai. Janubi Asia se hai. I hope now it is clear for you. Comment down below and let me know where you're from. I'll see you later. Have a good day and goodbye.